Hello viewers, Chef Thomas here again. Today I'll show you how to make roasted butternut squash, kale and lentil wellington. Put a pan on medium heat, add a little bit of veg oil, fry some blanched kale, green lentils, diced carrots and a bit of shallots, and then season them well. And here I've got some roasted butternut squash, the blanched kale and lentil mix, pumpkin seeds, marmite, a bit of water, and some puff pastry, which is gluten-free. Get a pastry brush and coat the puff pastry with a bit of marmite and a water mixture, just like this, and spread it nicely, evenly in a rectangular shape. Place the kale and green lentil mixture like this, and make sure they're in the middle because you need to have the size so that you can cover the other puff pastry on top. Then the roasted butternut squash, and then the puff pastry, and you have to be very careful because sometimes it's delicate. Grab a fork and just press all the sides so that it binds together. So just observe what I'm doing, and it has to be evenly throughout. You can trim on the sides and make sure it's in rectangular shape like this. And then put it on a tray. Coat it with marmite and water mixture. Sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top. And put it in the oven for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Once done, grab yourself a torchon and remove the squash wellington, and it should look like this. Nice and golden brown. You're going to remove the pepper underneath and then cut it into sizable portion that you like. And this one can be used as a vegan option. And it goes very well with roast potatoes and some mushroom gravy. You can do this at home. Thank you for watching.